In this video, you'll learn how to quickly configure OpenClaw Agent with Ben McDonald.
Hello everyone, this is Ben from Bluehost. Welcome, and we're going to continue our ongoing OpenClaw series with how to get your specific AI agent connected via API key, as well as set a default model by copying 3 blocks of code into our config file. Go ahead and pull up your account manager if you haven't already, and open the hosting tab. Find your OpenClaw enabled VPS and click Manage, and then on the page that loads, click Manage again on the top right to open the OpenClaw graphical user interface. Scroll down on the left-hand side until you find the config tool, and when you click on that, on the top right there should be an option that says Raw. This will enable us to edit the raw config file instead of using the pre-generated forms that may not currently have the options that we need to edit. To get your agent set up, you'll need to add your AI project's specific API key to your environment at the top of the config file, like so. You can replace the Gemini with Anthropic, OpenAI, OpenRouter, whichever provider you are using. Then copy and paste in your API key. Once your API key is pasted in, scroll down to the Agent's Defaults section and add a model block. We're using the Google Gemini 3 Flash Preview. Some of the other popular model options are OpenAI's GPT-4, as well as Anthropic's Cloud Opus 4.6. You can enter whichever model you want to be your default when you chat with your OpenClaw agent. You can also set up a list of specific models you want to use as well, and can swap between them using /model. Once you are finished with your edits, click Save and then Apply. Once the changes are processed, if you scroll up to the Agents option on the left-hand menu, you should see your new default agent active, as well as the other models you set up available to swap between using the drop-down menu. Thank you, and see you next time in our continuing OpenClaw series.